This video is about some beautiful drives in the Smoky Mountains. Lesser known, not the more common drives, but the first video was a short video about going up the road to Lookout Mountain, and then a longer video is Old Copper Mill Road, which runs from Cleveland to Ducktown, Highway 64. And I'm just riding, listening to old rock and roll, which you can't hear due to copyright restrictions. It sucks. So I guess I'm going to have to substitute elevator music. Also in this video, I'm going to have some shots of whitewater rafting, some shots of Cherokee, North Carolina, and a little video on the parkway, on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it's awesome, and hope you enjoy. A video just really doesn't do this drive justice. It doesn't get any better than this. And I've got some good old rock and roll, ha ha, to let you listen to. This was Memorial Day weekend, and Cherokee wasn't anything but Harley Davidsons and just motorcycles everywhere, all over the Smoky Mountains. Everybody riding all these beautiful roads. But the people in the campers were stacked on top of each other. I've never seen so many campers in my life. It was unreal. So anyhow, more Led Zeppelin.